On Monday, a 17-member Supreme Court bench, headed by the Chief Justice, began its long-anticipated hearings on the legal and constitutional questions surrounding the National Reconciliation Ordinance promulgated by the former President General Musharraf in October 2007. The ordinance gave blanket amnesty to over 8,000 politicians and bureaucrats facing graft and criminal charges, including the President and 5 federal ministers.
So therefore, it is always considered a good practice that people who are facing these charges and they're in authority, they should step down until the case is decided.
President Zardari's fragile government hastily U-turned on its decision to have the law passed by Parliament after facing the wrath of political opposition parties, civil society and the media. Interestingly, the Pakistani government has said that it will not defend the NRO and will assist the court in reaching an authoritative decision in the case.
From the public morality point of view, from the point of view of ethics in politics, it's extremely important that people have created so much pressure for the government that they are not ready to own it now. It's a great victory for people, I think.
Nobody in Pakistan doubts that corruption is part of Pakistan's political fibre. Pakistan's top legal minds are now trusted with the task of deciding the fate of Pakistan's powerful and ruling elite class. Analysts believe the Supreme Court's ruling will significantly impact Pakistan's political future.
It will definitely affect in the long term how politics is conducted in Pakistan. But it may also affect the current political scenario. It may even affect the qualification of some of the political leaders who are at the helm of affairs. So therefore, I would think that it is going to impact in a very big way. And one measure of its importance is that they have constituted a full bench, a full court of the Supreme Court to examine the case.
Analysts here in Pakistan are of the opinion that if the government wants the public to respect its constitutional legitimacy and right to govern, it must recognise that it has a responsibility of good governance. Without putting in place a fair accountability mechanism, the moral and political legitimacy of Zardari's People's Party government will not grow. The Chief Justice on Monday directed the National Accountability Bureau to submit before the court the list of 8,000 beneficiaries within 24 hours and has also prohibited TV talk shows from discussing this sensitive and high-profile case. The fate of 8,000 influential individuals for now precariously hangs in the balance. Adil, Sabir Press TV, Islamabad.